Hello everyone, and welcome to Conscious Evolution Academy. We're gonna have a great time here, and we're gonna explore conscious evolution through conscious cooking, especially macrobiotics, 5 elements cooking, and then we're gonna do some holistic exercises, which are a combination of really different modalities from yoga, Taoistic exercises, shamanistic exercises, and of course the holographic meditation, which is quite interesting as well for guiding and understanding our internal dynamics, our energy, right? Get to know each other. You want to explore the group, the people, make meaningful connections, and hopefully one day, probably during a retreat or a gathering or a meeting of a sort, we're gonna meet each other and for sure have a great time. Can't wait. See you soon and see you inside. Bye. Just as this day is simple and beautiful, so are you. And so is everybody, actually. It's just a matter of understanding oneself. And this is what we do in Academy. We don't try, we do it. We understand ourselves. We liberate ourselves, and we are the only one actually who can do it. The community is important because you get all the support from each other, and it's so easy in community. It's natural to connect with each other and to understand the fragments of ourselves through others. That's why we speak a lot about yin and yang and the mirrors and how we can understand them. And perhaps, just maybe, go through them. Why not? All the communities have certain agenda. All the people coming together at one point have agenda. So it's the same with us, actually. We have agenda. And our agenda is to be free. That's the ultimate. And again, just like the sun is shining for you and me, so we shine for each other. Thank you and welcome. And sometimes it is just a matter of the perspective. Or maybe your openness to receive. What the old traditions are saying is the same. Give and you shall receive. But what to give? One can only give from oneself, and we cannot give what we don't have. So it's not about having, it's realizing the being. And what will get us there is the experimenting that will get us there. We have to be willing to invest our time and energy to enter the unknown, that which is beyond time and beyond all the places. And the only question is, are you ready?